Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Planet Fitness membership subscription. So there are two ways on how to do this. It can be either in person or by contacting them. So to contact them, make a Google search for Planet Fitness, contact us. Now click the first link and then here type to find your club location. So for example, in Addison, it will show their phone number. Now contact this and make a request to cancel your account. If that doesn't work, it's because the cancellation process may vary by club. So the best thing to do is to visit your home club. Also, you can ask because some members may be eligible to cancel their membership online based on their membership type and location. And you might want to take a read on this. So basically that's it.